Hi guys, good morning. It's Thursday. I know. I think it's the 14th. I think it's Thursday, May 14th, 2020. It's Thursday already. I know. And it's halfway through May. Who'd have thunk it, right? It's going to be a beautiful, beautiful day. It's going to be sunny and it's going to be a little bit warmer and you can get outside and you can play. Yeah? You want to do that? Yeah, I know. Me too. I'm going to get outside and play too. I think so. I think I'm going to do that. How was your night last night? You had a good night? You've been helping mom and dad and playing. Have you been putting up your book nook and reading inside your book nook? That's like the best thing ever. Sometimes you do it for a while and then you forget. And then you get to do it again and it's so much more fun again. Yay! And don't forget this afternoon, 3 o'clock this afternoon, you can go on Zoom again and you can see all your teachers and all your friends and we can talk and stuff. Like Miss Anuja will be there and Miss Jess and Miss Robin and Miss Kathy will all be there. And your friends. And bring a toy or something special to you and then you can talk about it. Like if you bring your baby doll, you can say, this is my doll and her name is Poppy and I put her to bed every night. Or you could bring some toys from your play kitchen and say, I use these toys to make dinner, right? So when you come on the Zoom today, bring a toy with you and then you could talk about it. How cool is that? That'd be so cool. And you get to see everybody. So don't forget 3 o'clock this afternoon at 3 o'clock, okay? It's on there's an email with the number on it. And you tell mom if she can't find the email, call Miss Kathy. Email Miss Kathy and ask her, okay? All right, so you're going to be there for that. That'll be fun. That'll be a lot of fun, and we'll do it again, too. So what are we learning about this week? Oh, Mayflowers. April showers bring Mayflowers. Yay! So Mayflowers, I love Mayflowers, and I'll tell you why. Because it's so colorful, and Miss Kathy loves colors. So the flowers are all different colors. They're pink and yellow and red. There's blue ones and purple ones. There's green flowers. There's flowers on the trees. There's flowers in the gardens. I do love May. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. And so we're going to celebrate that this week. So we've been doing different kinds of flowers. We made flowers with cupcake wrappers and we made flowers with construction paper petals. And I have no idea what we made. Oh, we made a daffodil yesterday and we used an egg carton. So we're going to make another kind of a flower today. And we're going to do another math page because we don't do a lot of math during the year. So let's do a little bit more math right now. All right. And it's still adding. It's still counting. So this worksheet, the first one, this worksheet that we're doing today is called How Many Are There? And then the first thing you always do, always write your name. When you go to kindergarten and the teacher gives you your paper and she says, write your name, do it right away. And then she'll know that you learned how to do that and you are set. All right, so write your name and then there's directions. It says add together the pretty flowers and write down how many there are. So all you have to do is count. Really, there's one flower plus one flower equals how many flowers in that line? Let's count them. 1, 2. And they gave you the answer for this one, so you just trace the 2. Then we'll count this 1, 2, plus 1, 2. So 2 plus 2. Then count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you put a 4 right there. And then you've got 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 2 equals, let's count them. 1, 2, 3. So you put a 3 right here. And then one more. 1, 2. So how many is that? 2 plus, let's count them. 1, 2, 3. 2 plus 3 equals, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And put a 5 there, okay? And then on the back, I want you to write the numbers. 1 through 20. 1 through 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Because it's good to practice writing the numbers. It's good to learn how to add, but you still have to be able to write the answer down, right? So practice writing the numbers on the back, okay? All right. Now today is kind of a cool craft because you get to cut and color and glue and fold and write words. You can write them or you can have somebody else write them, okay? All right, so there's a template, there's a pattern in your email, and this is the pattern. And you can see it's a flower that has like heart-shaped petals, right? So what I want you to do is I want you to color the front of it. And you don't, when you do this one, you don't have to stay in the lines because you're gonna cut it out. So color the whole front, any color you want, or different colors, rainbow, or different like stripes or something. And then I want you to turn it over. And you see how you can kind of see it in the back? You can see the outline. I want you to color this side too. We want both sides colored. And it's easier to color before you cut it out, okay? Now, after the whole thing is colored, then I want you to write a little poem on the inside. Miss Kathy wrote, "Roses are red, violets are blue, sugar is sweet, and so are you." But you don't have to write that. You can just write, "I love you," or "flowers are pretty," or "this is my favorite," anything. Just kind of some kind of a note, okay? Then cut out the flower. And Miss Kathy didn't cut this part. I just cut heart, 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 heart. All right? And then you're going to fold it. You're going to fold it. So here's what I did. I made my flower. So I have the leaves and the stem, and I just cut that out of construction paper. And I made my flower into a heart, and I'll show you how I did it. So I'm going to open it up. All right, so here it is. Here it is open, right? It's a flower, see? Can you see? Yeah. So what you're going to do is you're going to fold it so that the hearts match this, look. You're going to fold it up so this heart matches this heart, and this heart matches that heart, and this one will be folded in half, like that. See that? And then you fold this one into the middle heart, this one, into the middle heart so it fits, and this one over the top so it fits. And then you have a beautiful heart, that's your flower, right? It's just, it looks like a beautiful heart. It almost looks like a tulip, right? And then you can just open it, right? And there's your flower. And there's your poem. Roses are red, violets are blue, sugar is sweet, and so are you. So I colored the front of mine red and purple, and I colored the whole back orange. So you have both colors, all right? There it is. There it is. So if you get confused, just play the video over again. Then you can figure out how to do it. It's kind of fun. You can also just color it and put it on the paper too. I'm good with that. I just thought this would be something fun to do, folding it up, okay? All right, so that's what we're doing. We're doing flower, and we're doing adding, and we're writing numbers. We have a lot of stuff we're doing, aren't we? We are. All right, so this afternoon, 3 o'clock, you're gonna go on the video, on Zoom, and you're gonna talk to everybody, right? And you don't have to talk, but if you have your toy, you can show us what it is, okay? So we could see you, because Miss Kathy, Miss Robin, Miss Jess, and Miss Anuja, we miss you. Like, we're very sad every day, because every day I wake up and I think, oh, can I see my kids? And then I'm like, oh, I miss my kids. I want to go to school. I want to be with my kids, right? And I know you guys want to see your friends. So this is a really cool way to do this. There's still some sickness out there, and we still have to kind of stay home. So we're going to stay home, and we're going to stay with our moms and dads, but we're going to get to do Zoom, and we get to see videos of our friends, yeah? And we're going to play, and we're going to learn. We can learn even if we're not at school. So you have to do what mom and dad say. Oh, don't forget, you got to sing that song for me. What a wonderful world. So Miss Kathy could put it all together in a video, right? We have to remember to sing it, because then I can put it together, and then I can send you the copy of it, all right? And then you can see that you're singing so nice with your friends. It's going to be very cool, I think. I think it's going to be very cool. Are you being good? Are you helping out at home? Let's see. What else could you do? You could vacuum the floor, right? You know how to vacuum, I think. You could wipe down the door handles and the light switches. You could dust. I never thought of dusting. Miss Kathy has wipes that have that have furniture polish on them, but you can get a little bit of spray, and mommy can spray, and then you can wipe down all the wood furniture so there's no dust in your house, right? You could fold the towels. You could match the socks. You could put your folded clothes in your drawers. I know. You could go through your toy box and split everything into the right piles. So you put all the Legos in one pile, and all the doll clothes in another pile, and all the books in another pile, and then make them all neat and put them on your shelves. That would be very cool. I think your mom and dad would love that if you could put your own stuff away like that. It's just matching. That's all it is. It's matching and sorting. So you go through, you go into your toy box or your big pile, and you take out all the stuff that's the same and put the stuff that's the same in the piles, and then take that whole pile and put it on the shelf or where it belongs. I think that's a great idea. I think you should do that. All right, I'm going to see you this afternoon, 3 o'clock this afternoon, okay? If you don't get this till after that, then it'll be a surprise. Yay! All right? All right. I want you to get outside. I want you to look for flowers. Oh, some flowers smell really good, so see if you can find the flowers that smell really good, and then you could write them down and let me know in a picture or a video. All right? And I want you to help clean up your house and go through all your toys so that you know where everything is. Because when you do that, when you sort through your toys, you find stuff you didn't even know you still had. That's what Miss Kathy and Miss Jess and Miss Robin and Miss Anuja do. That's what we do. We go through all the toys at school, right? So that we know where all the stuff is. And then when you come back, it's in the right place. And you guys do it too. I've seen you. You do it at school. All right. I love you. And I miss you. But we'll be together soon. Have a good afternoon. I'll see you at 3 o'clock. And then have a great night. All right? Love you. Bye.